For this week's podcast on English.com, we're talking about one of the most popular forms of entertainment, the circus.
The costumes, the performances, the music, the animals, it's all very exciting. And it's often the highlight of the year when a circus comes to town. Everyone wants to go and enjoy the show before it moves on. Richard, you remember going to the circus as a child with your family? No?
No.
Oh, really?
As you know, Jackie, I am from the Isle of Man.
Right.
An island. I just think it was far too difficult for the travelling circus to get all their equipment, the big top, the animals.
The big top is the big tent, everything.
The big tent. There's too much to get onto a boat to go to the island. And so they just didn't bother coming.
I can't believe that.
I did see it on the TV, though, but not live. Now, you've seen it live, haven't you?
Yeah.
So what's the best thing about the circus?
Well, I think it's the fact that you can see and hear and smell everything very close up. That makes it very exciting.
Yes, you get the atmosphere, don't you, which you don't get from the television. Okay then, Jackie, so you remember going to the circus as a child?
Yeah, certainly. The very first time my parents took me, I was very small. I can't remember how old, but maybe 5 or 6 or something. And it was a bit of a strange experience because I found it actually quite frightening. And my mum said when they got to the trapeze artists, so the people are climbing up the ladder and going onto their trapezes.
Very high swings, aren't they?
Very high swings. They're right at the top of the tent, and they start to swing down. I started shouting out.
Shouting out what?
Get them down, Mummy, get them down, make them come down.
Because it's very dangerous.
I was absolutely terrified for these people's safety.
So what about the other performances then? The other performers that you saw?
I think before then, I was enjoying it a lot more. The people are obviously very, very skillful, Richard. I mean, the acrobats doing all those, throwing each other up in the air and making human pyramids and things.
A lot of balancing acts, aren't there? Either balancing themselves or having unicycles are very popular.
Yes.
I remember spinning plates, see if you get on a thin pole.
And also high up, Richard, and balancing, of course, is the tightrope walker with their balancing pole. I didn't like that either.
I wouldn't either. I'm afraid of heights.
Yeah. The other big thing in circuses, Richard, of course, is the clowns.
Yes.
I know you're not keen on clowns.
I know. I didn't think they were funny, and I thought they were a bit scary.
Yeah, well, they have those very strange painted faces with the fake smile.
Yes, and the wig. I don't know. They're hiding something. I'm not sure. I don't know. I just don't like clowns.
And I suppose they're always fooling around in a kind of a silly way. I mean, a lot of people just think they're really funny, but yeah, I didn't really take to the clowns either.
Yes, they're just silly, aren't they? Silly and stupid.
Yes.
That's what they're supposed to be, I suppose.
I do think, though, Richard, it is a very special form of entertainment because people are so used to going to the cinema and, watching things on TV. But as I said, to actually be there and to witness all these amazing things happening right in front of you, it is very exciting.
And maybe an exciting thing I will never get to experience.
Oh, we should look out and see if there's one in Go.